Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I'm back with another Project Life layout. This is week 12. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through my week. But before that, I just want to remind you that I have these 3x4 weekly cards that you can use for your Project Life. It is in the description box. Just hit the link and download your free card. Tag me if you can, and I would love to see your projects. All right, so for this week, I've used Elle Studios, I believe March kit. I have some February cards in here too as well, but most of it's from the March kit. So yeah, I already printed my pictures, already put them where I want them, and I have a couple of pictures in different sizes. I believe I have a couple, and one like maybe three by three, and the other one's a little longer. I don't know exactly what the measurement of that is, but I try to mix it up a little bit. I have a lot of flip ups just because I had a lot of pictures this week. But yeah, let me go ahead and take you through my week. Top picture on the top there on the left side is a picture of my daughter at her dermatology appointment. And she always makes these funny faces. But I love it though. That's my daughter. So, and then the bottom row is documenting St. Patrick's Day. And it's funny because my son always wants me to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. And I'm like, well, we're not Irish. And he's like, you don't have to be Irish, Mom, to celebrate. And so every year is just a struggle for me. But I went ahead and purchased these St. Patrick's Day cookies and surprised him with it. And well, the whole family, and then he requested an all green breakfast, so I made him some green eggs. He said he wanted green eggs, and he wanted ham, but I didn't have ham, so it was just green eggs, some toast, and I cut up some kiwis, and he was very happy with that. I really love this card, and this journaling card that says my lucky charm, and I just added his little picture there. The top picture there are these die cuts frames that came in February's kit, and it says I love you, and it was perfect because I added the last heart from one of the stickers that I bought in January. So I only have one more that says love you, and I'll use that maybe next week. I just want to finish everything in my kit, and I'm okay with having extras of the 3x4 cards because I can always use those anytime. The next 3x4 picture over is a picture of my son and I. We were outside playing some pool, and I believe I used this die cut that says Heart of Gold or something like that. I can't really see because it's really tiny. But yeah, you could see a close-up at the end where I have the still shots at the end. And then the 4x6 picture there below is just a picture of my son getting ready to shoot. And I ended up using a die cut that says Play All Day. And this little round chipboard sticker is from Coco Daisy. I believe it's like last year's spring kit. And I went ahead and added that to it. The empty 3x4 pocket on the end is for a shaker pocket. And unfortunately, I couldn't film me doing the pocket because I didn't have an extension cord to where my desk was at. So unfortunately, I had to do that off camera. But you will see how I make my little sequin mix and how I add all that together. I do end up adding a green heart from the die cuts and frames from February's kit or add-ons, and I added that to it. And I really like the way it came out. I add a little bit of gold, a little bit of different colors and sizes, sequins of gold and green, and it made the perfect mix. On to the next, on the right hand side of the protector sheet, the two 3x4 pictures, a picture of us, well, my sons and I going out for a walk, and I did end up using this die cut that says let's go outside, and I used that little 3x4 card that says spring fun because we wanted to celebrate the first day of spring. March 19th was the first day of spring, and here I was debating where to put the rolling date stamp and decided that I would do it here at the top, and I did do a little journaling here about our little walk. As you guys know, I am still trying to lose weight for this Biggest Loser challenge at work, and we are after spring break, because we are on spring break, we will have to weigh in, and I'm afraid that I am not, I've already plateaued and I need to do something to shock my body, so I need to start moving more. So yeah, I'm still working on that. The next row underneath is a picture of my son. it was open house, and so he was super happy to show me all of his wonderful work at school. And my husband happened to be gone. He was out for work. He was in Kentucky, and I was super jelly because he was sending us a bunch of cool pictures. They drove out to Nashville, Tennessee, and he said it was really, really nice, really clean. Like all the places had live music. He sent us a couple of videos of a couple bands that were playing, and it was just, he was telling me how nice it is and how he wants to take me out there. So I'm hoping that soon enough I'll be visiting Nashville, Tennessee pretty soon. We'll see. Anyway, the next 3x4 picture over is a picture, well, it's a selfie of myself, well, obviously of myself. It's a selfie for the selfie project, the Awesome Ladies project. Are You Kristen is Thursday 3, and so I do end up using this card here, a journaling card that has 3 spots for journaling, and I just added 1, 2, 3. Here you see me making my little sequin mix. I added a couple of different colors, different sizes, different shapes, just to make it a little interesting. I really need to buy some more sequins in different for different holidays and stuff. So maybe once I get my shed going and I have the actual space to store things and I know where things are at, maybe I'll start buying things more. But right now I don't want to buy any more because it's more stuff to move. So I'm just going to use what I have on hand. So here I show you how I do my little sequin mix, and I do show you this little heart that I added from the die cut, and I add that in the pocket, and I do seal it off camera, and it came out super cute. I love the way that looks. So yeah, moving on. I did end up doing my Thursday 3. I had to do it off camera because, again, I don't know, for some reason my computer can't load Instagram on my computer for some reason, and I have to look on my Instagram to see what I jotted down for my Thursday 3. The one 3x4 next to that is a picture of me and my girls, Pretty Pineapples, my card group. We decided just to hang out for this month, and we ended up doing a movie night, and we ended up watching Wonka, and we had movie concession stand snacks. So we had like pizza and nachos and hot dogs. Well, not pizza. I don't think it made it to, we didn't make it that far because we had so much food. We did have nachos and hot dogs and all the candies that we can think of. Veronica bought all the candies that they would sell at the movies. So like Gobstoppers, Raisinets, Sour Patch Kids, like Red Vines, like you name it, she had it. It was so much fun. I enjoyed that relaxing night, relaxing evening, and we stayed up till late and had a blast. And then I just added a die cut and then another round chipboard sticker from Coco Daisy and called that one good. This picture here is documenting my friend Vanessa's 40th birthday, and my husband and I attended, and it was so much fun. We took all the pictures and danced and talked, and we had tacos, and it was just so much fun. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my week. Here I'm just adding my tabs, and I do end up using these little Velcros attachments because even though you add the tabs, they still kind of stand out, and so I needed something to hold them down. I do end up punching out these tabs with my Stampin' Up! Punch tab and some colorful cardstock that kind of match these this week's theme, and added my Tim Holtz mini attacher to attach the tab down. So yeah, so that pretty much sums up my week. Sorry guys, my dogs are barking. They always seem to be barking. They probably hear the noise because my son's playing pool out in the back, and they probably think that it's somebody trying to come inside. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that bell so that you're notified when I upload another video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. And if you're on spring break, enjoy your spring break. All right, I'm hoping to film another video for you tomorrow, so check and see if I have something up for you. I'll be working on my book journal. I don't know if you've noticed, but I posted something on my Instagram and on my YouTube shorts. I think they're called shorts, right? I don't even know what they're called because I hardly ever post there, but it's just a simple flip through of my book journal. And so I'm super excited to start this year's. So stay tuned. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to film a YouTube video on that. If you're interested, let me know. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.